Fence was starting to fall over, so I put some supports there, support brackets on the back of the fence, and pulled the fence back in place and put an anchor point there on the ground. Now we're just clearing up all the bushes that have been running riot because the weather's nice, and they might have been responsible, together with the wind, for pushing the fence over. So I'm going to do some, Anne's been cutting all this back here, and I'm going to cut up the larger pieces. Well, hi there, this is John. Hope you guys are doing alright out there on a beautiful sunny day, and we're just continuing cutting all these branches out behind the fence here because they're turned into trees and they're pushing the fence over. So let's continue on, try and get this done. As you can see, I've already put some stuff out. This will be a good fire starter. There you go. Problem solved, we hope. You're negotiating alright there, mate. Good job. Now the next part is to cut back some of this lilac so it's not too near the fence, so we'll give that a try next. I'm just trying to break on through to the other side of here. The good news is we now have a pathway between the fence and our bushes. Now I'm going to have to trim a couple back up there because they're going to be wanting to travel, and it's all coming on now. Well, did that look any different? Okay, I'm going to take a rest now, then come back out and start cutting this into bite-sized pieces for the recycling or for firewood later on in the year.